Have I waited too long? Have I found that someone? Have I waited too long to see you? Hey guys, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and I'm going to play a song that was requested by a good buddy of mine, AJ. This is one of the punk variety. This is going to be Newfound Glory's Hit or Miss. So he and I have gone to see them live together a couple of times. I'm super thankful that he would let me go with him, and there's nobody better to go to a concert with than AJ, let's just say that. So anyway, this song is for you. So this song, standard tuning, no capo or anything. It's going to be a lot of power chords, okay? And there's going to be a lot of palm muting. Okay, so palm muting, and I would for sure use a pick on this one, unless you're just going to play like a really acoustic version, which could actually be pretty cool. But yeah, you're going to use this part of your palm, and you're going to put it as close as you can to right here, okay, right in front of that line. And then you're going to strum pluck the notes like that, okay? You could do it without a pick, so you could do, but it's not going to, it's going to be, that's if you want to do more of an acoustic feel. So I'm playing it on acoustic guitar, but you can play it the same way on an electric, okay? So you're going to start, you're going to do a power chord. You're going to put your first finger on the, every chord we do except for the E chord is going to be a power chord on this, okay? So you're going to do, and that means they're all the same positioning for your fingers. So you're going to put your pointer finger on the 7th fret on the A string, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the 9th fret on the D string, and then you're going to put your pinky on the, and you don't have to use your pinky, you can actually just hold it down like that if you want. I just hate doing it that way, but my brother likes doing it that way. So, but I say you put your pinky on the 9th fret on the G string as well, okay? And then I'm muting that top string, I'm touching it with my finger, if you can see that. So that way you can't hear it, because you see I'm actually plucking it like that. But if you don't do that, it'll make it louder. It'll make it, no, I don't think it sounds right, okay? So you're going to start with that. And then you're going to be on the same frets, but you're going to move up one set of strings. So then you're going to be on E, A, and D. Okay, so you're going to be 7, 9, 9 to start, and then you're going to be on 7, 9, 9 up on E, A, D. Okay, then you're going to move up to 9, 11, 11, and then you're going to move down to 5, 7, 7. Okay, so that's the intro, and that's how you play the chorus. All right, so it's going to be. Okay, so the strumming for that is down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, so that's how you do it. And now you're gonna play that 6 times to start. There's 2 guitars in this song. I'm not gonna show you how to play both. I'm just gonna show you how to play the rhythm, okay? So I can look into the other one if you want for another video. Okay, so that's how you're gonna play that. Now you can also just play, you can actually just keep going up and down if you want. So you notice I was doing, so I'm doing, and then I switch. Now you could just keep strumming. You could just go. Okay, so if this one is hard for you, you can actually just do the one where you just keep strumming the whole time, okay? I'm doing it like, and then so I do down, up, and then I switch. So I'm actually only strumming certain times. I'm strumming way less, but you can just do. That's probably what I would do like more towards the end of the song, because then it will build more. But so you're gonna do that this 6 times. Okay, that's 1, 2. Okay, so now you're on the 3rd, so you do that 6 times. And then you're gonna go to the verse. Now the verse is gonna start like this. You're gonna start with E, okay? Now the way that I would do it, there's a lot of palm muting here, so you don't have to palm mute it, you could just do, so it'd be down, up, 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 down, okay? So you could just do that, but AJ likes to play on the electric guitar, so I'm showing you how to do it on electric guitar too. And I think it just sounds cooler if you do this on even on acoustic. So you can palm mute it as well. You're going to do an E, so you're going to do strum, open, so you're not going to palm mute it, you're going to E, okay, and then you're going to start palm muting. Okay, so you do that, and you go to B, which is a power chord for B. We're just going to do, so you're going to put your first finger here, and you can actually play the B if if you want. It's just not necessary for this. I don't think that's how they play it. So you put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, your ring finger on the 4th fret on the D string, and then your pinky finger on the 4th fret on the G string, okay? And again, I'm muting the top string. Whenever you play a power chord where you're on the A, D, and G strings, I always mute the top string, okay? So you're gonna do that same thing where you're gonna do open, and then you go to that B, that's 2, 4, 4. Okay, and you're gonna go up again, and you're gonna go to 4, 6, 6, but it's gonna be on the same string, so all you have to do is slide. So slide 2 frets, okay? So that's E, 2, 4, 4, 6, 4, 6, 6, and then you go back to B. Okay, you start over, so that's it. Okay, so it's open, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I can't remember how many it is, but just listen to it and play it. So it's. Okay, so that's how you do that. Now, you're going to play that a couple of times, and you'll notice if you listen to the song, then they start actually just going. Okay, so that's how I start doing that. So it'll be like, needle on my record player has been wearing thin. This record has been playing since the day you've been with him. And that's when you start going open. No more long rides home, no more of your station. So that's where you go, you mute, and then you're gonna do that. So it's when you, after station, okay, so station is more, so it's no more long rides home, no more of your station. Okay, then you go, you're gonna mute and then do, okay, so you're gonna go, oh. I didn't like it anyway. Then you just go back into the muting. So it's E, B. Okay, so that's super easy. Now when you get back to the chorus again, remember, the chorus is what we did before. It's gonna be on 799. Have I waited too long? Have I found me someone? Have I waited too long to see you? Okay, so that's pretty much how the song is played. Now there is a part more towards the end where it's how many times I've tried. So they're doing like a. So it's how many times I've tried. Simple to use, so simple to lie. How many times I've tried. Okay, now if you're playing it on an acoustic guitar, I would just be probably strumming it open like this. It's the same chords as before. It's still that E, B, 4, 6, 6, and then B again. And so you can just play it like that if you're playing it for friends and stuff. If you really want to like be technical with it, you're gonna have to listen to it because it's more intricate than I want to go into for this lesson. But it's gonna be like, it's just very technical, like muting. It's like. It's even more than that, and it's hard to do on an acoustic guitar. And my neighbors, I don't want to bother them with my electric guitar. But yeah, so that's pretty much how you play the whole song. So, and then just remember the chorus is always that same. I think it's super fun to play these like acoustic, like punk songs on an acoustic guitar or electric guitar. Honestly, like I love both. Just depends on what you're going for. But I've been at people's houses and they'll have an acoustic guitar there, and I'll pick it up and I'll play like Hands Down by Dashboard Confessional or something like that. And it doesn't have to be exact, but it's really fun to play for people. So. Yeah, but it's also super fun to, like, if you want to play in a band or you just want to really rock out with it, like you could play this on your electric guitar like with the like right next to your stereo or your speakers or whatever. So anyway, that's how you play the song. It's an awesome song. I love Newfound Glory. I really hope AJ and I get to go see him together again. Who knows what concerts will be like after all this virus stuff. But anyway, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit subscribe and like. And thanks guys, it's been real. I'll see you next time.